one of the things that people always ask is, because most people buy siding once in a lifetime. So people always ask, hey, Scott, how much is it going to cost for new siding, specifically James Hardie fiber cement? And I don't mind giving them a small range like I'll give you. Like a lot of times it's probably starts at $14 a square foot, probably goes to 18 is the general range. But to be honest, it's kind of like asking someone, hey, how much is my kitchen remodel going to cost? A couple of things really vary the cost of your project. Okay, so the biggest one is the volume, like the size. What's the square footage of your home? A 4,000 square foot home costs more than a 1,000 square foot. The other one is what type of materials. So is it James Hardie fiber cement? Are we looking at a cheaper alternative like vinyl? Even within Hardie, are we doing their shingles, their lap siding, their vertical board and batten? Are we doing everything? We doing soffit, fascia, gutters? So there's, or like what colors? Some colors cost more. So the reality is probably 75% of jobs kind of fall within the $14 to $18 square foot range. But there's a lot of things that could easily add $10,000 to $12,000. And so one of the things we talk about when you reach out to Fairway Exteriors, we set an appointment for me to come out. I own the business. I'm the one come out to talk to you. And I only need 20 to 30 minutes. It's not about wasting my time or your time. It's the price could change $20,000. And so within 15 minutes, we could really narrow down what do you want, right? And a lot of homeowners I talk to say it's champagne taste and a beer budget. So a lot of people, I want copper gutter, no problem. That might be a $20,000 line item. Oh, well, okay, maybe I don't want what I want. And it's just important for us to walk around and make sure you understand exactly what you're getting. We provide you a detailed itemized quote. Everything's itemized to the penny. Everything's line item in detail, so you know exactly what you're getting. Then when you actually review the quote, you actually can think about, do I need everything? Do I need something? You're actually in control of what your project could cost and what upgrades you might want, or what standard features might make the most sense for you.